People, the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps look at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. And here we have the shampoo bars. They are a little soft. When I went to take them out, I lost the footage, so it is what it is. But yeah, they're very soft, but this is what they're looking like. They smell amazing. It smells almost like a perfume, but the scent is the basil essential oil and the aloe vera gel. There's no other scents added to it. It's just what it naturally smells like. I had already put my stamp on it. And then when I went to take it out of the mold, that's when I found out they were too soft to touch. So they've been sitting here for 2 hours, getting a little harder. Oh, there's a mush. Okay. These are made with coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, infused basil oil, and canola oil. Even had a little left over to make a ball. This is, as you can tell, really soft. That one's going to take the longest to harden up because that's the overflow. And yeah, let's do a quick leather test. Apparently I didn't have enough on my hand to do a leather test, but I'll show you in a separate video. Actually, let's see if there's a piece that's fallen off enough to do it. Yeah, there we go. That's going to be some creamy lather. And it rinsed away clean. That's going to be ready in 4 to 6 weeks. So basically, since it says 4 to 6 weeks, I'm going to check it at 5 weeks. Yep. This has been People. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye now.